A sister says, these days there are so many subliminal audios on the internet to be used to control your subconscious and get desired results for whatever purpose one wants, like weight loss, etc. Guide if this is halal doing it, if we do it for the weight loss only, and it's the sounds of rain, etc., not music. I personally believe that listening to such sounds like the chirping of birds or rainfall or rivers moving or the leaves and the winds, listening to these sounds may relax a person. And there is nothing wrong in that. There's nothing haram in that. But listening to it with a specific desire, such as weight loss, this is not scientific, nor it's logical. So listening to it with such a purpose can be one of two. Either there are hidden messages that you cannot hear consciously, but your subconscious hears, and this is like hypnosis. You know, when sometimes there are whistles that you use that we humans don't hear, but the dogs can hear and come. Sometimes they may embed such messages in certain speeds or frequencies that you may not hear, but your subconscious takes it and hears it and follows it. So this is similar to hypnosis, and this is haram. Or there's nothing as such. It's just rainwater falling on the ground or the roof or a stream of water, and you're convincing yourself, or someone convinced you that this helps you to lose weight. And that would be part of the minor shirk. When we believe in something that has no reality to it. So this is minor shirk. Like the ring of energy people wear on their chests, or a special bracelet that fights joint ache and rheumatism and whatever illnesses they come up with. And doctors and physicians says that this is all bogus. Or certain stones that you wear in your ring that gives you sexual power or heals you from certain illnesses. Such belief is minor shirk because it's not part of the healing process that Allah has given us. Because healing and protection can either be through Sharia evidences, such as ruqya, drinking of honey, consuming of black seed, cupping, milk and urine of camels, etc. Or it can be through natural, tangible medicines. So we know that Panadol or Tylenol cures headaches. Scientists explain how. Antibiotics attack bacteria and infection. This does that. Medication is known and proved scientifically. But when you come up with something that neither the Sharia backs up, nor the medicine or the medical sources back up, then this is minor shirk if you believe that it is a cure from Allah. And it's a major shirk if you believe that it is a cure by itself without Allah Azza wa Jal, and Allah knows best.